Hello student, this is the quiz video on the Science NCERT chapter Sorting of Materials into Group of Class 6. In this video, we are going to discuss some important questions related to this chapter. Also, you can improve your preparation by watching this quiz. So before starting the quiz, please like and subscribe my channel for such more videos and click on the bell icon for daily updates. So are you ready for quiz? Let's start. All things can be made up of different dash: solution, texture, hardness, material. The correct answer of this question is D, materials. Now the next question is, the liquid that dissolve in one another are called immiscible, insoluble, miscible, renewal. The correct answer of this question is C, miscible liquids. Now the next question is, mustard oil is dash in water: immiscible, soluble, miscible, none. Mustard oil is immiscible in water. Option A is correct. Now the next question is, all gases in the air are dash conductors of heat: bad, sometimes bad, good, sometimes good. The correct answer of this question is A, bad conductors of heat. Now the next is, which of the following material is transparent? Mirror, steel plate, glass tumbler, plastic bottle. The correct answer of this question is C, glass tumbler. Now the next is, the property of material to be compressed easily is softness, luster, hardness, non-luster. The correct answer of this question is A, softness. Now the next is, heavy substances are dash in water: float, sometimes sink, sometimes float. The correct answer of this question is C, sink. Now the next question is, the metal turns in reddish brown in color on exposure to air and moisture: iron, silver, gold, copper. The correct answer of this question is A, iron. Now the next is, choose odd one out from these options: silver, plastic, gold, diamond. The correct answer is B, plastic, because it is non-luster. Now the next is, which of the following material do not have luster? Iron, clothes, gold, silver. The correct answer of this question is B, clothes. Now we are coming to our next question. The material which allow light to pass through it: metal, translucent, opaque, transparent. The correct answer of this question is D, transparent. Now the next question is, which of the following is completely soluble in water? Dust, sugar, paper, chalk powder. The correct answer of this question is B, sugar. Now we are coming to the next question. Which of the following material is non-lustrous? Silver, wood, gold, diamond. The correct answer of this question is B, wood. Now we are coming to the next question. In which of the following light cannot travel from one material to another? Translucent, opaque material, transparent, both A and B. Correct answer is B, opaque material. Now the next is, a liquid which contains the dissolved material is known as solvent, solute, solution, none of these. Correct answer of this question is A, solvent. Now the next is, aluminium metal is a dash: poor conductor, non-magnetic, soluble in water, magnetic. Answer of this question is non-magnetic. Now the next question is, Butter paper is dash translucent, opaque material, transparent, oily. The correct answer of this question is A, translucent. Now the next question is, materials that are difficult to compress are called dash hard materials, opaque materials, soft materials, all of these. Hard materials are difficult to compress. The correct answer is A. Classification is done on the basis of same dash and dash, shapes and sizes, similarities and differences, colors and textures, softness and hardness. Correct answer is B, similarities and differences. The oily thin paper sheet will be dash transparent, lustrous, translucent, opaque. The correct answer of this question is C, translucent. Hope you all are like and enjoy.